Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter that is GST. In yesterday's class, we had seen problems on intrastate purchase or sales. What was intrastate? That is within the same state when there was a purchase or sale, we had seen the journal entries. In today's class, we would be seeing problem on interstate supply of goods and services. So write the side heading: in case of interstate supply of goods and services. Write down under that first one, for purchase of goods. Journal entries: purchases account debited, IGST account debited to bank or creditors account. If it is paid, it will be bank. If it is on credit, it will be creditors. Next we have second one, for sale of goods. Write down bank or debtors account debited to sales account to output IGST account. Next write down the third one, for purchase of assets. It is assets account debited, input IGST account debited to bank account. Fourth entry, for expenses incurred. It is expenses account debited, input IGST account to bank account. Next we have fifth one, for income earned. It is bank account debited to income account to output IGST account. Next we have for adjustment of IGST, output IGST account debited to input IGST account. These are the journal entries. Write down a note. In case input IGST exceeds the output IGST, comma, the excess input IGST will be first adjusted against CGST, and the balance of input IGST, comma, if any, will be applied to set of SGST. Say for example, your input IGST is 10,000 and output IGST is 5,000. So input IGST is more than the output IGST. So you have a IGST credit of 5,000. So ये IGST credit is your asset. And say for example, you have to pay CGST of rupees 10,000. करेक्ट. तो ये 10,000 में से यू कैन डिडक्ट योर IGST क्रेडिट. तो ये क्या है? ये 10,000 लाइबिलिटी है. इसमें से आप 5,000 डिडक्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ क्रेडिट ऑफ IGST. सो यू हैव टू पे कितना? 5,000 रुपये आपको फिर पे करना पड़ेगा. इन केस आपका CGST का अमाउंट 2,000 है एंड आपके पास क्रेडिट कितना बचा IGST का? 5,000. So you will deduct the IGST credit एंड क्या पे करोगे आप? नील, कुछ पे करना ही नहीं है आपको. अभी भी आपके पास IGST क्रेडिट कितना बचा है? 5000 माइनस 2000 दैट इज 3000. आफ्टर यू हैव सेट ऑफ योर CGST, उसके बाद आप SGST में जाएंगे. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5000 इज योर SGST जो आपको पे करना है. सो यू हैव अ क्रेडिट ऑफ 3000, तो आप सिर्फ 2000 पे करोगे. So whenever there is excess of input IGST over output IGST, that will be set off first against CGST and the remaining balance will be against SGST. Clear? Let us work out the problem. First entries in the books of Mr. Gopal, assuming CGST 6% and SGST 6%. So first we have Gopal purchased goods for 1,50,000 from outside the state. Outside the state is interstate purchase and made payment by check. So what will be the journal entry? Purchase account debited, input IGST account debited to bank account. Next they have given he sold goods for 1 lakh outside the state. Vapas it is interstate. So it will be debtors account debited. They have not said pay kiya hai ki nahi kiya hai. So it will be debtors account debited to sales account to output IGST account. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ही सोल्ड गुड्स फॉर 1,80,000 लोकली ऑन क्रेडिट. लोकली मतलब क्या रहेगा आपको? CGST एंड SGST. सो इट इज डेटर्स अकाउंट टू सेल्स अकाउंट टू CGST अकाउंट टू आउटपुट SGST अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव पेड टेलीफोन बिल बाय चेक. सो इट इज टेलीफोन बिल, दैट इज टेलीफोन बिल इज एन एक्सपेंस. टेलीफोन एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट डेबिटेड. इनपुट CGST, input SGST to bank account. He purchased air conditioner for his office and paid the amount by check. So office equipment account debited, input CGST, input SGST to bank account. तो प्रॉब्लम में अगर कहीं दिया हुआ नहीं है कि इट इज विद इन स्टेट और आउटसाइड द स्टेट, वी ऑलवेज एज्यूम दैट इट इज विद इन द स्टेट. क्लियर? सो राइट डाउन जर्नल एंट्रीज in the books of Gopal. So we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what is the first journal entry? Purchase goods outside the state. So purchases account debited. Input IGST account debited to bank account. कितने का परचेज किया? 1,50,000. What will be the total IGST value? It will be 12%. So 1,50,000 into 12 by 100. It is 18,000. Total is 1,68,000. Write down the narration. Purchase goods from outside the state. Next we have second one, sold goods outside the states. So it is debtors account debited to sales account to output IGST account. कितना का सेल है? 1 lakh. 12% is the IGST. So 1,12,000. Write down the narration. Sale of goods outside the state. Next we had sold goods locally. So it is debtors account debited to sales account to output CGST account to output SGST account. कितना का सेल्स है? 1,80,000. 1,80,000 into 6 by 100 will be your CGST. कितना मिलेगा? 10,800. 10,800. So total will be 2,01,000. Write down the narration. Sale of goods within the state. Next we have fourth entry. Paid telephone bill. So telephone bill is an expenses. So it will be telephone expenses account debited. Input CGST account debited. Input SGST account debited to bank account. 5,000 rupees, 6% CGST, 6% SGST. Total is 5,600. Write the narration. Payment of telephone bill. Next we have purchased air conditioner. So office equipment account debited. Input CGST account debited. Input SGST account debited to bank account. Write the narration. Purchase of air conditioner for office. So it was for 25,000, 6% CGST, 6% SGST. Total is 28,000. Leave some space and उसके बाद write down the working note. First we need to calculate our IGST. तो input IGST कितना है 18,000 and what is output IGST? It is 12,000. So input IGST is more than output IGST. So हमारे पास जो credit बचा रहेगा that will be of IGST credit. So write down working note 1. Input IGST कितना है 18,000. कहाँ से 18,000 मिला? Entry number 1. It is 18,000 and output IGST is entry number 2. Less output IGST 12,000. So 6,000 is our IGST credit. So what will be the journal entry? It is output IGST account debited to input IGST account. So write down journal entry 6. Output IGST account debited to input IGST account. How much is it? 12,000 debit, 12,000 credit. Why we are debiting 12,000 and not 18,000? Because input IGST is more than output IGST. Write the narration. Adjustment of IGST. तो अब ये 6,000 credit बचा है. Now we need to calculate our output CGST and output SGST. So write down the second working note. कितना है total output SGST? So how much is the total output CGST? Go to your sum. 10,800 और कुछ है नहीं. So your total output CGST is 10,800 less input CGST. Input CGST कितना है? We have 300 and 1,500. So it is in bracket 1,500 plus 300. कितना हुआ? 1,800. So total how much we had to pay? हमें total 9,000 CGST पे करना था, बट हमारे पास कितने का क्रेडिट बचा है IGST का? 6,000 का. So we will set it off. So less adjusted against IGST credit कितना है? 6,000. तो अब हम कितना पे करेंगे? Only 3,000. Balance paid off. So what will be the journal entry for this? It will be output CGST account debited. Write down output CGST account debited to input CGST account to input IGST account to electronic cash ledger account. Electronic cash ledger account. So 3,000 will be the balance which we paid off. Input CGST is 1,800 and total output CGST is 10,800. Write down the narration. Adjustment of CGST. and payment of balance amount. Instead of this electronic cash ledger, you can also write to bank account. Write down the third working note. Total output SGST कितना है? It is the same 10,800 less input SGST वापस से कितना है? 1500 plus 300, that is 1800. So अब 9,000 has to be paid, balance paid off. 9,000 SGST pay करना है because we don't have any IGST credit. So write down output SGST account debited to input SGST account to bank account. 10,800 debit, 1,800 and 9,000. Write down the narration. Adjustment of SGST and payment of balance amount. So what is the total? 5,48,800, 5,48,800. After the problem, write down the note. If nothing is mentioned, it will be assumed that the transaction is entered within the same state. So अब आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि मैंने IGST 12% क्यों लिया है? Because CGST 6%, SGST 6%, टोटल कितना है? 12%. टोटल कितना है? 12%. So IGST also will be 6 plus 6, that is 12%. Clear? Next, let's go on to illustration 8. Pass entries in the books of Deepak of Delhi for the following transaction. Purchase goods from Anupriya of Delhi, so it is within the state. Purchases account debited, input CGST, input SGST to Anupriya. Next we have purchase goods from Rana Rathod, so purchases account, input IGST account to Rana Rathod account. Next we have sold goods to Gurudeep of Punjab, Gurudeep Sindhu to sales to IGST. Paid railway freight, freight account debited, input CGST, input SGST to cash account. Purchase computer printer for office from Dell, so it is office equipment, input CGST, input SGST to Dell Limited. Why Dell? Because we have taken on credit. Next we have sold goods to Gangaram of UP. It will be bank account debited, sales account to output IGST account. Paid broadband services and paid by check. Internet charges account debited, input CGST, input SGST to bank account. Payment made of balance amount of GST. So write down journal entries in the books of Deepak. We have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first entry is on 2nd February 2018. It is purchases account debited, input CGST account, input SGST account to Anupriya. 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 9 by 100, 22,500, 22,500. Total is 2,95,000. Write down the narration. Purchase goods within state. Next we have 5th February 2018. Purchase goods from Rajasthan. So it is purchases account debited, input IGST account debited to Rana Rathod. Write the narration. Purchase goods from outside the state. 3 lakh was the purchases. 12% is IGST. So 3 lakh into 12 by 100. Total is 3,36,000. Next we have on 10th Feb. Sold goods to Gurudeep of Punjab 2 lakh rupees. So Gurudeep Sindhu account debited to sales account to output IGST account. 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh into 12 by 100, 24,000. Total will be 2 lakh 24,000. Write down the narration. Sale of goods outside the state. Next on 12th Feb, paid freight charges. So freight account debited. Input CGST account debited. Input SGST account debited to cash account. 15,000, 15,000 9% each. 4,000, 1,350, 1,350. Total is 17,700. Write down the narration. Paid railway freight. Next we have purchased computer on credit. So office equipment account debited. Input CGST account debited. Input SGST account debited to Dell Limited. 80,000, 4,800, 4,800. We get 89,600. Write the narration. Purchased computer printer. Next 24th February. Sold goods for 4,20,000 against check which is deposited in the bank. So it will be bank account debited to sales account to output IGST account. 4,20,000 into 18 by 100 is how much? 75,600. 4,95,600. Write down the narration. Sale of goods outside the state. Last we have 25th February, paid broadband services. So internet charges account debited. Input CGST account debited. Input SGST account debited to bank account. 10,000, 600 CGST, 600 SGST. Total is 11,200. Write down the narration. Paid for broadband services. Leave some space. Write down the working note. So what is our input IGST? 36,000. And output IGST is 75,600. So in this case, our output IGST is more than input IGST. So write down. Input IGST कितना है? 36,000. Output IGST is 24,000 plus 75,600. We get 99,600. So how much it is? 63,600. So ये credit नहीं है. Because our output IGST is more than the input IGST, it means that हमको ये amount government को pay करना है. So under that write down, this will be excess of output IGST. Next line, excess of output IGST of rupees 63,600 is a liability payable to the government while making this full stop. While making this payment, adjustment should be made for CGST and SGST. After this, write down CGST, SGST. So input CGST कितना है? 22,500 plus 1,350 plus 4,800 plus 600. So it is 22,500 plus 1,350 plus 4,800 plus 600. कितना हुआ? 29,250. 29,250. Do we have output? कुछ भी नहीं. It is nil. So 29,250 is the balance which we need to pay. Our input SGST and CGST is more than the output SGST and CGST, which means ये जो है वो हमारा credit है. After this, write down excess of output IGST. कितना है? We found out 63,600. So उसमें से हमारे पास कितना credit बचा है? We have adjustment for input CGST 29,250, adjustment for input SGST कितना है? 29,250. कितना मिलता है? 58,500. तो इतना क्रेडिट हमारे पास पड़ा था CGST एंड SGST का. एंड हाउ मच IGST वी हैड टू पे? 63,600. तो कितना मिलेगा? 5,100 इज द बैलेंस पेड ऑफ. सो पिछले सम में क्या हुआ था? वी हैड एक्सेस ऑफ क्रेडिट IGST, so we had set it off against CGST and SGST. In this case, we have excess of output IGST. Output मतलब it is a liability to us. That is the reason we are adjusting it to CGST and SGST because हमारे पास उसका input ज़्यादा है. Clear? That is the difference between the previous sum and this sum. So write down the journal entry on 28th February. Output IGST account debited to input IGST account. कितना है? 36,000. Write down the narration. Adjustment of IGST. हमारे पास इनपुट सिर्फ 36,000 था. आउटपुट दो वी हैड 99,600. वी विल एडजस्ट ओनली टू दी इनपुट वैल्यू. जो भी लेस रहेगा इन आउटपुट एंड इनपुट दैट विल बी adjusted. Next entry will be adjusting the remaining balance of output IGST. So output IGST account debited to input CGST account to input SGST account. Balance कितना है? To bank account. How much is the output IGST remaining with us? 63,600. How much did we give to CGST and SGST? 29,250. 29,250. And how much we need to pay? 5,100. So write down the narration. Final payment. So in the case of IGST, what will be the entry? Whether it is input or output is more, that amount would be returned. And entry क्या रहेगी? Output IGST account debited to input IGST account. If the input IGST is more than the output IGST, credit will be available which is being set off against SGST and CGST. But when the output is more than input, it is a liability and जो भी input रहेगा CGST या SGST का that will be adjusted. But अगर कोई भी input नहीं था CGST and SGST का, we need to pay the amount. So clear? So that's all for today. Tomorrow onwards we shall be starting a new chapter. Thank you.